Hi guys, my name is Basiko. And in this channel, we're all about nourishing your growth, focusing on personal development and self-discovery. We also talk about faith in this channel. And today we're talking about what I eat in a day, Daniel Fast Edition. I'm just going to be sharing with you what I eat throughout the day and preparing the meals with you. I already have a meal schedule written down. Already know what I'm going to be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I did add some snacks in between, but I decided that that's not what I'm going to be doing. I'll just focus only on the main meals. So let's get into it. For breakfast, I decided to have some homemade granola with oat milk. If you want to know how I made my granola, check out my TikTok where I show you in detail how to make the granola. And I warmed up my milk for about 30 seconds and that's my breakfast. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let my friends want to know what is wrong with me when I'm in a day. So here I'm just prepping some red speckled beans, so I'm going to soak that for about 2 hours so it's ready by the time I cook lunch. And I can't go. Some people go. The beans are in the pot. I'm adding some salt, spices to give flavor to the soup. When it comes to the Daniel fast, you don't want to cook things that require too many ingredients. You don't want to cook things that require you to spend too much time in the kitchen. So soup is one of the most simplest and easiest meals to make. So I'm going to have the soup with some leftover flatbread that I made from yesterday. And it was so good. What is wrong with me? When I'm in a day, I'm your love, see. Now I came back to let you know. For dinner, I am having rice, gravy, and mixed veggies. I'm cutting up my broccoli, and then I'm going to cut up my carrots, place it in a pot for about a minute, and then on the side, I am going to fry mushrooms. And then once that's all done, I am going to spice them and put them in the oven and then plate it all together. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you. I am trying the famous turmeric coffee, pouring some oat milk on the stove, adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder, adding a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then for sweetener, I used 4 raisins and 2 dried gingers to sweeten it up. And it was amazing. It tasted so good. Guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope those meals inspired you and you are keen on trying them out. Do not forget to check out my digital store. The link is in the description. I will definitely see you in another video.